Hi, Mike Safe here with World Class Coaching, and in this short video I'm going to show you the updates that we've added to the Member Drills database, which is more age group sessions, and these are for the under 5 through under 8 age group. So to log in, you go to the Member Drills login, which will then bring you to this screen. You log in there with your email address and your password, and you click this link here, Drills Database, and this will bring you to this page. Scroll down here, and at the top we've got the World Class Coaching magazine issues. There we're up to the June issue, and then we have the last 5 years issues here, and more of those are coming, by the way. Below that we've got session by topics, and you can see there the various sessions we've got. In total we're over 5,000 pages. And then if you go right to the bottom part, you've got age group training. The new ones we've uploaded are here on the bottom page. So if you look at the bottom line here, the under 5 to under 8 sessions, and click on that, it will bring it up in a new tab for you. And this is broken up into, and I'll just click the bookmarks here, it's broken up into two sections. You've got sessions that are specifically suited for under 5s, under 6s, and there's 10 of those, and they're complete sessions. And then you've got under 7 to under 8 sessions, and you've got 15 of those. So let's just have a look. Let's go look at dribbling 2, and there's an example here. Let's go try dribbling 3 and dribbling. Okay, so let's look at this one, under 5, under 6 session. If you click on it, it will magnify, and then you can scroll to see the size that you actually want. And each session will give you a warm-up, an activity, and usually a small-sided game to finish with. So if you click on that again, it will go back to normal, and you can turn the pages over this way and go through all the sessions, or you could just go through the bookmarks and look to see what you wanted. If you wanted one touch, passing angle, short touch, figure eights, dribbling, whatever you wanted to do. Or you could go in the search, and you could click the search button and type dribbling, for example. Click search, and it will bring up all the pages there that have the word dribbling on it, and then you can just click one of those. Let's say that one, for example, and it will take you right to that page. So there you have it. There's the latest sessions that we've uploaded. They are the under 5 to under 8 age group sessions, and we've got more of those to upload.